Restore-Rite in use at Sea Ranch, California. Find the dry rot. In this case, rainwater traveled into the post and the rail, causing moisture to decay the wood. Soft, rotted wood found between the post and railing. The rail is prepped and ready to apply Restore-Rite's deep penetrating STRONGBOND epoxy wood sealer. The Zero VOC sealer hardens the wood and seals out moisture. Continue applying sealer until the wood is saturated. The sealer chemically bonds to the wood. The post is prepped and ready to apply STRONGBOND sealer. Apply the sealer until the repair area is saturated. The sealer quickly wicks into deep crevices and holes left by the dry rot. Next, mix and apply STRONGBOND Epoxy Wood Filler. Mix equal portions of Part A and Part B of the filler together for 3 minutes, or until it is a uniform gray color. After the sealer becomes tacky, or the next day, apply the filler in 1-inch increments over the sealer. The non-sag filler creates a strong chemical bond to the sealer, which is chemically bonded to the wood substrate. In a few hours, the filler will be ready to be sanded, pre-drilled and screwed, or sawed to the desired shape. Filled repair with the wood's gray patina preserved. The homeowner-craftsman was able to maintain the gray patina throughout the restoration project. The homeowner estimated that he saved several $1,000s by restoring the original old-growth wood. Maintaining the wood you love means not having to replace sturdier, more rot-resistant old-growth wood. The STRONGBOND Wood Restoration System by Restore-Rite is the right way to restore wood. Restoration and photos by George T. at Sea Ranch, California. Restore-Rite product photos by Will Toft Photography.